I-Ejenti yokusungula ezobuchwepheshe okuwuhlaka lomnyango wezesayensi, ubuchwepheshe nokusungula isingathe i-Global Cleantech Innovation Programme Awards Gala Dinner ngolwesine kusihlwa eSandton. Lo mcimbi ubungaza osomabhizinisi baseNingizimu Afrika abahlanzekile abayizingqalabutho zezixazululo zokonga ugesi, ukusizakala ngodoti, amandla avuselelekayo, ukongwa kwamanzi kanye nezokuthutha ezihlaza. Ethula inkulumo yakhe yosuku, ungqongqoshe wezesayensi nezobuchwepheshe uMnumzane Blade Nzimande uthi uhlose ukukhuthaza abantu bazo zonke izigaba zempilo ukuthi bafake isandla ngendlela eyakhayo ekwakheni ubuchwepheshe obuhlanzekile.
Bachonywa uphaphele gwalagwala osomabhizinisi abasafufusa kumkhakha wezobuchwepheshe abangenelele umncintiswano wezindondo ze-GCIPSA. Ungqongqoshe walo mnyango uMnumzane Blade Nzimande uthi-ke leli thuba liyingqayizivele ikakhulukazi kwintsha yakuleli.
I'm very impressed about the innovation. As I was saying, lots of this innovation is responding to the challenges that we have, whether it's challenge of lack of enough water in agriculture, whether also it's actually building or producing bricks from dirt, from waste, which doesn't burn. You can build a foundation with it.
Kanti ovela kwi-TIA uthi-ke kuyathokozisa ukubona izinhlaka ezahlukene ziba yingxenye yalo mncintiswano.
In 2017, when COP17 was here in Durban, there was an idea as an outcome of that event to think about what is called Cleantech Challenge. So South Africa was one of those countries who actually collaborated with UNIDO to start what is called a Cleantech Challenge.
Kusenjalo obaqoqode amakhanda uthi okuhle kodwa kuyalandela.
Yes, it's access to markets, it's access to funding, it's taking the profile of the company up so that when we walk into a room we can say, no, we've done this, we've done that, we've achieved something. It's a networking opportunity overall on an international scale, and we're very happy about that. We think the business is positioned to grow quite rapidly in the next few months.
Ungqongqoshe uNzimande uphinde wagqugquzela intsha ukuba isebenzisa amathuba afana nalawa ukulekelela ukufufukisa umnotho wakuleli. Ezindabeni zeSoweto TV, Inokulunga Mthembu ngiseSandton.